Na 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 na. Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Tasty Lane? Oh yes, I know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Oh yes, I know the Muffin Man. He bakes from night to day. He mixes flour, eggs, and milk. He stirs them smooth and nice as silky. Adds some sugar, just a bit, and sings while baking it. Mix it, stir it round and round. Clap your hands, it's baking sound. Open the oven, smell the smell. Yum, 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 we know it well. He bakes a muffins, 1, 2, 3. Blueberry, chocolate, strawberry. Then comes a muffin colored green. It's minty, fresh, and bright and clean. Red and yellow, pink and blue. So many muffins just for you. Count them all, let's start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. Marching muffins down the street, tapping little muffin feet. One is giggling, one's asleep. One just loves to jump and leap. The Muffin Man is proud and glad, the sweetest baker ever had. He waves hello and sings a